Premiere Fitness. Today we're going to do a HIIT interval workout, which is high intensity interval training. So we have 8 exercises today that we're going to be doing for 30 seconds. After every 2 30-second reps, we will be taking a 15-second break. This routine is built to be 3 to 4 times. Make sure you warm up before and you have your water. My water is just right outside the camera, so I will be drinking that. And we're gonna get started. Our first is going to be a curl and squat for 30 seconds. And here we go. So you can curl regular, or you can do a hammer curl, whichever feels better. I'm gonna stick with the regular curl. Make sure you're dropping your hips and going really low for that squat. Almost done. Last one. All right, we're gonna go straight into bent over rows. So you can either do one at a time, or you can do both. Make sure you're squeezing your back as you come up. Halfway done. Five seconds. Good. Now we'll take that 15-second break. We're going to get down and do Renegade Rows. Here we go. Holding a plank and rowing. After every 2, we're going to do a push-up. If you need to go modified on your knees, that's okay too. Last one. Okay. Now we're going to go into a lunge and press. Press up. Good job. We get 15 seconds break after this one. Last one. Good. I'm gonna grab my water. We're gonna get down on the ground. We're gonna do triceps and add a glute bridge. Triceps, then up. Triceps, then up. Good job. As we're doing the triceps, make sure your elbows are staying stable, and we're just using our triceps. Good job, almost done. Last one. All right. We're gonna come off the floor and we're gonna do curtsy lunges. So, just like you're doing a curtsy, lay back behind you. 30 seconds. We'll get another 15-second break here in just a second. More seconds. Good. you need it. We're going to go back on the ground to do mountain climbers. Here we go. Five more seconds. Good job. All right. Grab our weights and we're going to do step up. 15 seconds leading with one foot, then 15 with the other. Last one, other way. So that is our HIIT workout again. This is built 3 to 4 times. As you can hear, I'm very winded. This kind of workout is used to get your heart rate up in a quick amount of time. So follow us along and do this 3 to 4 times in total, and make sure you do a cool down and stretch after. Thank you so much. Have a good one.